I love my family with all my heart. They are a huge part of who I am. I couldn't imagine my life without them. Every single one of them is amazing. My mom is always there for me. She's my best friend and I know she'll never leave. My dad is my hero, he's always been there. He's the best role model that I could ever have. I'm so grateful for my brothers and sisters. We've been through everything together. We know each other better than anyone else, and I wouldn't have it any other way. My family is everything to me.